Let's build a mini balloon arrangement with a soccer theme. Start by inflating 2 green balloons to 5.5 inches. Tie them together tightly. That's your first pair. Now repeat the process. Watch closely how we tie. Cross the necks, keeping the round parts close. Stretch and twist the necks around each other twice, nice and tight, and tie a knot. Now let's combine 2 pairs. Cross 2 balloons. And here's your first cluster of 4 balloons, all inflated to 5.5 inches. Repeat with lime green balloons, inflated to 3.5 inches. Tie them tight and build the second cluster. Now let's connect the 2 clusters. Grab the neck of 1 green balloon and place the lime cluster on top. Wrap the neck around 2 of the lime balloons until it's secure. And done. It's firmly in place. Now let's grab an 18-inch bubble balloon. Inflate it carefully and check for any defects or misalignment. Deflate it completely. Take a printed latex soccer balloon, insert a stick inside, roll it tight, and insert it into the bubble balloon. Remove the stick and adjust the balloon inside. Inflate the inner balloon to 7.5 inches, check again, and tie the knot. Tuck the latex balloon's neck into the bubble. Now grab an uninflated 260 balloon and tie the ends to create a stretchy band. Twist the bubble a few times and mark the middle of the 260. Use the 260 to tightly secure the bubble. Use the 260 extension to attach the bubble to the base. Wrap it between the green balloons until it's tight and secure. Add a weight balloon to stabilize. Wrap the neck around until it's firm. Inflate 5-inch balloons to 3 inches, tie them, and divide in half for mini pairs. Attach the minis to the base using existing balloon necks. Repeat with more colors and duos for an organic look. Adjust and place as you like. And it's done. Look at it from every angle. I added mini duos all around the base. Hope you liked it. Drop your questions or comments below. Thank you.